So, you want to know how to dress for summertime? Well, the most important step to get rid of your layers. So yeah, first step, we're gonna be ditching all layering, at least for the most part, because when it's summertime, it's hot, and layering will make you sweat your butts off. So, on to step two. Step two, I would really strongly recommend having at least a collection of shirts that you'd put aside for winter that you can now bust out for summer. That's kind of what I do, and it's kind of a good idea, so you don't gotta be all frantic, like, oh my god, it's summertime, I gotta go buy me some shirts. Why do that when you could already have shirts stocked up that you purchased over the winter break or winter season? Step three. This one I personally don't do because I hate jorts, or at least how I look in them. Jorts are dope, just don't like how I look in them. But yeah, investing in jorts or any dope denim that doesn't fit like pants with shorts, but jorts, if you know what I mean. You know, jorts are a great purchase to make for your summertime needs and all that. So now, just because it's summertime, it doesn't mean you can't really experiment with different pieces, such as unique long sleeves or shirts in that matter, or button-ups that can really add spice, a spicy level to your clothing, but still keeping you at a cool temperature. You know what I mean? You know, not making you sweat like crazy. So there's all that. Now, this one isn't really in-depth because it's summertime, and when summertime comes around, it's kind of more around the time that people start dressing more basic, as you can't really layer as much because then you'll be sweating like crazy. So yeah, when it comes to summertime, plan ahead is what I'd say. Dress more simplistically, just to kind of keep things at a good level of balance, you know, not too hot, not too cold, because I mean, yeah, you want to put the fit on, but you also don't want to be sweating bullets like crazy. Anyways, guys, I hope you kind of enjoyed the quick tips and tricks for summertime. I know this time can be worrying for others because they don't have to dress during summertime. There's a dog barking, but yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.